Let's have another example. We're going to use synthetic division to divide 4x squared minus 6x cubed minus 6 plus x raised to 5 by x minus 2. So we are going to write first our dividend into standard form. So the first term to be written is x raised to 5 followed by negative 6x raised to 3 followed by plus 4x squared and lastly minus 6. So this will be our polynomial expression written in a standard form. So let us use synthetic division. So by using the coefficients of this dividend, we have 1. And since we don't have a fourth degree term, replace it with 0 or insert 0, then followed by negative 6. 4, there is no first degree term, so insert 0 and negative 6. So since this is a fifth degree polynomial and there will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numerical coefficients. For our divisor, x minus 2, equate natin ito sa 0. So x is equal to 2. So for our divisor, we have 2. Okay, so first, bring down the leading coefficient, 1, multiply, it's 2, add, 2, multiply, 4, add, negative 2, multiply, negative 4, add, 0, multiply, it is 0, you add 0, multiply 0. Then we add, it's negative of 6. What is this negative 6? So negative 6 is the remainder. So if this is the remainder, this must be the constant term, the first degree term, the second degree term, the third degree term, and the fourth degree term. Okay, balik natin into polynomial. We have the q of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared. Okay, so there is no need to write this term since the numerical coefficients are 0. And then the remainder is equal to negative of 6. Okay, so this is it.